Hello, I'm going to teach you how to get more views with Tubebuddy using Tubebuddy's keywords bars. So let's get started. Also, I'll tell you if any of these tools require a paid something or if it's free. So let's get started. Okay, so you see one that has it ready for me. Okay, so this is a rated, and this is a paid version of Tubebuddy, and this is the unrated. As you get the free version, this is what you get. So let's go back to the rated. Also, you get like 3 IDs. And then when you do the comment tags, it's about it free everything. But still a whole lot useful than making a video not knowing what to search for or what to make it about. Still a game changer for new YouTubers. So six. Now as you can see, this is poor. If I go on the unrated, it's also poor. So it sure gives you a good estimate if you want to do a video about it or not. Now I'm gonna tell you what the unrated and rated means. So the unrated is a general score of your system that you're going to use. The rated is your search score of your. Okay, you can also go over here and you can see that the search volume isn't good. The competition looks right there. The speech is terrible today. The competition is there. Let's go to unrated. See the big difference right there. That's why you want the pro version to get a better score. Or at least know what a better score is. Now, let's go back to rated. Let's go to one of these. Let's see if more search terms pop up. Let's find poor. You want to go back to your previous search term. Back to, let's see, right here. And then you go back to the other one. So let's go back to this one. Let's see how good it is. So here's a general idea here. This helps you find less competitive keyword searches so you can get more views. If you like this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more. That is all. Have a great day.